Hi my friends, I'm Dr. Marion D. Thorpe Jr. and I'm running for Senate here in the great state of Florida. Earlier today, Governor Charlie Crist entered this race. To you, Governor Crist, I congratulate you for taking the leap and entering the race. It's never an easy decision to run for public office, but it is well worth the while, and you know that. Now, Governor, I'm going to look forward to talking with you all along the course of this campaign about the issues that matter most to Floridians. Issues like healthcare reform, and immigration, and economic development, and offshore drilling, and how in the world we're going to prevent the gambling industry from overtaking our great state. Again, sir, those are just a few of the issues that I'm certain that we'll have an opportunity to discuss. In the meantime, I want you to know personally, I've committed myself to running a gentleman's race and conducting myself as a statesman, and I look forward to you doing the same. Now, some of you may ask, why am I not hearing the name Marion Thorpe called in relation to this race? I'm going to give you all the simple truth of this. There are two items at stake. One, I'm a Christian man, a very strong Christian man. And the last I checked, being a Christian is simply not in vogue in the mainstream media. That is sad, but it is true. Secondly, I am a black Republican. And again, the last I checked in the media, the push seems to me to be to pretend as though black Republicans do not exist. Of course, nothing could be further from the truth. This is the party that was founded to abolish slavery. And I'm living proof of the fact that black Republicans do exist. We are proud to be Republican, and I intend to win this race as a Republican who happens to be African American. Please hear me and hear me well on that. Now here's what you can do to help me level the playing field and to get my name out there and make this a competitive race. Send me a donation. You can do so by visiting www.marionthorpe.com. More specifically, that's marionthorpe.com/donate.html. That's all for now, my friends. I'm going to look forward to checking in with you real soon. Again, Charlie, congratulations for getting in the race. I look forward to seeing you on the trail. And most importantly, I look forward to seeing each and every one of you on the trail as we move forward to win the United States Senate race in 2010. Thank you.